Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I think all the angles, as you understood, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, and according to that, estimation of clock also, right? This I am going to explain the second part, class 6 standard angles. Part 2 I am going to explain. Draw the angles and measure them. So I am giving my own, that is own questions in that. I am using the protractor, pencil and scale. You have to use you people have to use. So I am going to explain. First one, draw the angles and measurement them. In your classwork also you write it. First one, A. First we have to draw a baseline here, 5 or 6 centimeter, no problem. So here you see this 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter drawn. So properly we have to draw that one. Okay, just wait. Okay, now you see, I will draw it here. Exact line, 6 centimeter you have to draw. After that, give name. This is O, and we can give B A, no problem. And after that, this you take the protector, this baseline and half center of that protector you see here. You have to keep here. You have to keep on the baseline, right? And after that, see, after that, you have to draw the point of the 30 degree. See, this is 90 degree, less than 90 degree acute angle. That is 30 degrees acute angle. This is 0 line, this is 90 straight, and we will take inside only. Less than 90. More than 90 it will come outside, right? Less than 90, that is 30 degree you see. 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree. Here we have to do point. And after that we have to draw a line. This point and this point make it equal. See, this point and this point we have to make equal and draw it. This is, we can make angle 30 degree. We can put the name also, no problem. No need to take lengthy, enough this point we can take, that angle is B, this B, that is we are taken, that angle is 30 degree. Did you got understood? Similarly, I will draw and show you the second one angle here, 45 degree B1, 45 degree. First we have to draw a baseline. Either you draw 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, no problem. I will draw here. So I will draw it 6 centimeter something. Okay. G we have to give O center. This is P give, no problem. And after that, keep your protector on the point of 0 O, and make the underline, the line which lie on the line, the protector line is lie on the baseline, and 45 degree. See, 30, after 40 and 50 in between you have to, the line is there, you have to margin it, right? That is for 45 degree. Understood? Okay. After that you have to draw with a scale. This point make it equal to this point, and after that we have to draw the line. This, the angle is 45 degree. This point we can give name, that is Q, right? Two arms are there, one angle is there, vertex is 0. Understood? We can write. After that, 60 degree we have to draw. C1 is 60 degree. C1 is, that C is 60 degree. So C is, this is B1, that is 45 degree, and C1 is 60 degree we have to draw. Just similarly we have to draw a line, base line. See here, 5 to 6 centimeter, no problem. I will draw that 6 centimeter only. It will lengthy little bit, enough. This O M, I will put the point M. After that, I will keep the protector on the 0, that is lie on the line. The baseline should lie on the line. Similarly, I will draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. That is the 60 degree. You have to mark it margin with a protector and draw the line with this point, make it equal and draw the line. This we got, this point M, this point is M. This point is M. No problem. This is keep capital or small letters, no problem. This angle is 60 degree. Right? Two arms with a common end point. We are taking the vertex. And similarly, the fourth one, Fourth one, D is 90 degree. We know that very well, 90 degree it comes on a L shape. D1, that is 90 degree. I will draw the baseline here. So here to here, this is 5 to 6 centimeter, no problem. This is O, this is L. And after that, I will take the protractor and keep on the side O. On that O, I'll keep the protractor on this here on the line, and 90 degrees here exactly the center of that 90 degree, and we can join the line with this point to this point. So we can join the line. See, exactly got. This is 90 degree. This is the line. This point I can give L and M. No problem. Okay. So we solved our 4 sums exactly in that angles. Nicely we are done, easily we are done. That is very simple are there. The remaining sums can you solve by itself or no? I don't know. Let it be. I will explain that. Can you solve that one? 75 degree and 90 degree. 75, 90 degree already 2 times I have taken. Let it be. So 75 degree I can write, or you can write. You write it yourself only. Now I am going to explain the estimation clock sums. Right? Okay. Estimation of clock sums. Second main, I will write off. Explain. Now I am going to explain the estimation angles on a clock. See, first one is A, 12 to 2. 12 to 2. So the general formula we can apply here. 360 into, that is 2 hours. Total hours is 12. Total hours is in the clock is how much? 12 hours. That we can write 12 ones are 12. 12 3s are 36, 12 zeros are 0. Now it left 12, 30 into 30 and into 2. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 3s are 6. How much degree we got? 60 degree. Similarly, I will do the B1. So 12 to 5. 12 to 5. Right? So here you see, we can take 360 degree into 5 divided by 12, right? So similarly we can cancel 12 ones are 12 3s are 36, 12 zeros are 0. Now 13 into 5 we have to multiply. 3 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15. That is 150 degree. The angles we got, that is 150 degree. Similarly, I will explain the third one sum. C1, I will try to explain here only. And similarly, I am going to explain the third one, that is 12 to 7. 12 to 7 timing. See here in the solution. So 360 degree into 7 divided by how many hours? Total hours is 12. 360, you know that. One rotation of the watch, one rotation of clock, it makes as a 360, right? Already I taught in the basics. Again, similarly, we can substitute. 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36, 12 zeros are 0. Now we got 30 into 7. Zeros are 0 degree, 7 3s are 21, 210 degree we got this. Understood? Like that we have to solve. Fourth one I will give you for you solve itself only. Fourth one D1, 12 to 9, and E1 DE, E 12 to 10, 12 to 10, F. Last question. Now you can solve by itself only in your classwork also. 12 to 1, 12 to 6 also you can solve. Understood? Now you see here, third main, find the measures of each of the following angles in the figure. We can measure also with the protractor. Keep your protractor on the center. See, here is 90 degree and more than 90 degree. So it's, the baseline is here. From here I am considering, not from there. Or that is angle B is obtuse angle, because obtuse angle more than 90 degree, right? And angle A we can see this from this side. This is the baseline, this is the angle. Angle 70. Angle A is, that is how many degree? Angle B. We are done. 110 degree. That is 110 degree. Angle A is acute angle. Acute angle is equal to 70 degree. We are getting from that. Similarly, I will keep that is reciprocal add-on. Baseline is here, center is here only. See, this angle C, I am taking C. Angle C is 35 degree. 35 degree. Angle C is 35 degree. Which angle? Acute angle. Acute angle. That is also 35 degree. Angle C. Similarly, angle D, I will put here like that, cross. See how I am putting baseline. You take this one, and how to take C. Which one I am getting? That is I am getting little bit. Just I will check it. 90 degree I am taking, getting that 90 degree. That is also angle D. Angle D is right angle. Which one? Right angle, exactly 90 degree. Angle E I will find out. See, I will tuck like that, or I will do like that. Keep here, and we can find out. This is also angle E is also 60 degree or 50 degree. Just wait. Here, this is here. This is the baseline. I am angles I am taking for that. Angle E is 50 degree or 55 degree. 55 degree. Angle E is which one? 55 degree. Acute angle. Acute angle. That is 55 degree. This is the given figure I have solved and shown you. You people have to make like that and solve the angles also in your classwork also. Understood my point? Understood? One more I will give you in that third main sub questions. This is first one. Second one I will give the diagram. You have to solve by itself only. Understood? B1. I will give the diagram. You have to solve by itself only. This is a baseline. The second one diagram is given here. Now you can see here, and you should solve by itself only. Find out all the angles. Find the measures of each angles in the second one. Second one. This is A1 and this is B1. You have to measure, find the measures of each angles. Right? Okay. So find the measures of each angles from the figure. Understood? Second one you have to solve by itself. Understood? Now the fourth main, estimate the time which has given angles. First one 30 degree. 30 degree means which angle? Which value we have to take? You don't know. Right? That is 1 by 2. Only 30 degrees, 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. B1, 90 degree. What it will come? 9 o'clock we can take. 90 degrees, 3 o'clock we can take. 3 o'clock also we can take. C1, 120 degree. What it will come? You have to solve by itself. 20 degree, 120 degree. D, 180 degree. E, 240 degree. F, 270 degree. F, G, 330 degree. You have to find the clocks also in the timing also. Understood? Okay, this is the last one I have taught you. You can write in a solve and write in your classwork. Understood?